Hello, boys and girls and boys of Rockland. How are you? It's Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Again, very excited to be here doing math. We have been doing lots of addition, and I have been doing a lot of subtraction with you. Very exciting. We've been taking things away and learning about how to do that. So remember, addition comes together. Subtraction is taking away, okay, or separating. We've been talking about taking away. So you could do this with objects in your home: apples, crackers, bananas, flowers, anything you might have. You could draw it on a piece of paper. We talked about that. You could even do it in the car. All you need is, guess what? Fingers. Yeah, your fingers go with you all the time. Wherever you go, there's your fingers. So let's practice. Hold up 5 fingers, okay? So let's do 5, take away 2. So if I have 5 fingers and I take away 2 of them, I hide 2 of them, okay? Let's do it this way. All right, let's see how many we end up with. Okay, so I have 5, take away 1, take away 2. How many fingers do I have left? 3, that's right. 1, 2, 3. Now, does it matter which 2 fingers I take away? Let's see. I took away those 2. Let's take away 2 different ones this time. Let's take away these 2. How many do I get? How many fingers do I have up? Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3. So again, 5 take away 2 is 3. What if I took away 2 different fingers? What if I took away these fingers? That's a hard one to do. Let's do a different. Let's do these 2 fingers. Okay? So I had 5, right? I had 5, taking away 2. And I still have 1, 2, 3 fingers up. So 5 take away 2 is 3, no matter how you do it. Okay? All right, let's do another one. Show me 8 fingers. Can you show me 8 fingers? Let me show me 8. So we got 5 and 3 more. We just did addition, didn't we? 5 and 3 together makes 8. So we have 8 fingers. What if I took away 1 finger? How many fingers will I still have up? What do you think? You can pause the video if you want to think about that. 8 fingers. Well, let's find out. I'm going to hide 1 finger. Whoop. You see that? Watch. It's right there. Whoop. It's all gone. So now how many fingers do I have? Let's count. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fingers. So 8 fingers. Take away 1 finger is 7. Does it matter which finger I do? Let's see. Here's my 8 again. Okay, here's my 8. Let's take away a different finger this time. Let's take away maybe this finger. Okay, so 8 take away 1. Did you see what I did? I took away that finger right there. This one right here. Okay, whoop, all gone. So do I still have 7 fingers? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I do. So 8 take away 1. 8 subtract 1 is 7, no matter which finger you take away. Okay. Let's do another one. Show me 4 fingers. 4 fingers. Try it on one hand. 4 fingers. Okay, does it look like this? Maybe it looks like, I can't do 4 fingers any other way. So I'm going to do it like this because that's how I do it. 4 fingers. Now subtract 3 fingers. Take away 3 fingers, or hide 3 fingers. Let's see how many we're going to end up with. You can pause it right now and think about how many fingers do you think we'll end up with. I'm going to hide 3 of them. I have 1 left, right? 1 finger. So I had 4. I took away 1, 2, 3. So 4 take away 3 is 1 finger left. Okay? What if I took away 3 different fingers? What if I took away these fingers? 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's my pinky. I still have 1 up. So 4 take away 3 is 1, no matter how you do it. Okay, excellent job. I wonder if that works on the other hand. Let's see. 4 take away 1. Yep, it's still 3. Still works. Excellent job. All right, let's do one more. Show me 10 fingers. 10 fingers. How would you do that? So again, we're going to do some addition. We're going to do 5 fingers, right? 5 and 5. If I put those together, 5 and 5 makes 10. I have 10 fingers up. What if I take away 5 of them? So I have 10, take away 5. I'm going to take away 5. How many fingers do I still have up? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 subtract 5 is 5. Let's put my 5 back. So I have 10 again. Let's take the other 5 away. So 10, take away 5 fingers. Whoop, I took that hand away this time. Do I still have 5 fingers? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yup, 5 fingers. All right, so boys and girls, have some fun with fingers. You can add, right? You can do like a magic trick, like 2 and 2 makes whoop 4. Look at that, right? You could do that. You can do 1 and 3 makes whoop makes 4. Or you can subtract. Show 4, take away some, and see how many are left over. Okay, have fun. Remember, be safe, be kind, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.